In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter credit card refund in QuickBooks. If you returned something you paid for with a business credit card or received a reimbursement from a vendor, recording that refund properly ensures your expense reports and credit card balance are accurate. Have the refund receipt or reference number handy so the details in QuickBooks match what's on your statement. First, go to QuickBooks Online and sign in to the correct company. From the main dashboard, make sure you're looking at the file where the original purchase was recorded, so the refund can offset the right expense. Next, click the Create button. Depending on your version, it may appear as a new plus icon at the top left. This opens the full list of transactions you can add. From that list, choose Credit Card Credit. This form is designed specifically for money going back onto your credit card. It's different from a vendor credit, which affects accounts payable. Using Credit Card Credit posts the refund back to the card account, exactly the way it will appear on your card statement. Now fill in the details and the refund number. Pick the payee, usually the store or vendor that issued the credit. Choose the credit card account that actually received the refund. Set the date to the date shown on the refund receipt or card activity. Enter the ref no with the refund or authorization number for easier lookup later. In the Category Details section, select the same expense account you used on the original purchase, such as supplies, software, or meals, and enter a clear description. Type the amount of the refund as a positive number. If your business uses classes, locations, or departments, add those here. You can also attach a copy of the refund receipt to the transaction, which helps with audit trails. Add a brief memo to explain why the refund was issued, like returned defective item. When everything looks right, save the transaction. You should now see the credit in your credit card register. Later, when your bank feed brings in the refund from your card issuer, it should match to this entry automatically if the date and amount line up. That's all it takes to enter a credit card refund in QuickBooks. Keep your documentation consistent, mirror the original expense categories, and you'll keep your books clean and your reconciliation smooth.